In some ways, March 12th, 2020 was the last time many of us felt like we were in our own area code.
Hey, Anna.
Good morning, Larry and Robin. It's March 12th, which means that it's 3/12, which means that it's 312 day.
Our pre-COVID comfort zone.
I'm like, that's what you get.
It was the last time you'd see news anchors sitting this close together.
In the COVID-19 outbreak, the World Health Organization has declared it a global pandemic.
And it was really the last normal morning we had before the pandemic lockdowns, school closures.
Here at Northwestern, the change will mean an extra long spring break.
And daily death counts. It was also the day the music died. The Cerny Brothers Band was the last live musical act to play in WGN's famed Studio One, where Ray Rayner, Garfield Goose, and Bozo entertained generations. The studio has been silent for a year. There are now chairs scattered in the space, which is used now mainly for meetings.
Please, this weekend, if you can, stay home.
More broadly, entertainment would come to a halt that day too.
Well, normally on the weekend I tell you about movies and things to do. This weekend is very different. Virtually every live theater and music venue is shut down.
It was the morning that America learned that beloved actor Tom Hanks and his wife had been infected.
Tom Hanks and his wife Rita Wilson announced they contracted COVID-19 while filming in Australia.
It was also the last true traffic report.
You are up to that hour mark on the inbound trip of I-55.
Before so many people began working from home and commuter congestion disappeared.
If you do not feel well, for God's sake, stay home.
LaSalle Street, the symbolic center of the city's economy, was empty that morning.
It's really a ghost town down here.
The stock market was tumbling, and nobody knew where it would eventually bottom out.
The only thing that we know is that we don't know how widespread all these people staying home is going to give us cause to keep going down.
We woke up to news that the NBA had postponed the season.
They will go to otherworldly measures to make sure that they don't lose money. So when they start postponing seasons, it gives you pause.
Somehow making everything seem more serious.
Fans, due to unforeseen circumstances, the game tonight has been postponed. You are all safe.
The Bulls media briefing was canceled, a move that foreshadowed how reporters would find new ways to interview subjects at a distance.
And we're outside because we're not allowing anyone into the building right now.
Later that day, March Madness was canceled, and tearful DePaul seniors said goodbye to the basketball season.
You know, your 4 years are going to fly by, but let alone in the way it is, but everything happens for a reason.
Doctors were bracing for an overload of cases and a shortage of beds.
We're really working on improving our staffing across the hospitals, increasing the number of staff available to take care of patients.
And that afternoon, Northwestern Memorial nurses worried the situation would soon get much worse.
Every staff needs to know that they are on the front line of ensuring that this does not turn into the pandemic that we are all afraid it could be.
Chicago also woke up to news that the president was closing air travel to and from Europe.
Last night, President Trump announced a travel ban for Europe. That ban will begin tomorrow at midnight and restricts travel for the next 30 days.
I was able to book a flight like right after the ban was announced, but I know people who paid up to $2,000–$3,000 just to fly home.
In an empty O'Hare International Airport that morning, the final few flights arrived.
When it's your child's well-being, there's no price on that.
We're only allowed to go out for grocery shopping or for medication at the pharmacies.
In the stores, panicked people purchased toilet paper and other essentials.
It's been a year, a full year we're in it. And if you've been paying attention to this at all, our lives have changed.
So what did it all mean that day that we realized we were not in control?
Control always seems simple when nothing goes wrong.
For some answers, we spoke with Chicago's resident philosopher, Loyola University Professor Emeritus Al Genie. That day raised some profound questions that we're still trying to answer a year later.
What's happening to us? Who are we now? What will we be? This has been a real philosophical as well as a physiological crisis. I hope we've learned one thing, that we are vulnerable.
Vulnerability is never easy to acknowledge, but Professor Genie says 1 year after March 12th, the day the world changed, there is a lesson about this pandemic in the plague.
Camus won the Nobel Prize because of a book called The Plague, and what happens to society, how it breaks apart, how it loses trust in others, how it loses its financial base because of a plague. This is a warning and an opportunity for us. It isn't the end, but it is a warning.
A warning we all received the morning of March 12, 2020, that our world was coming apart, and for the next year, it would be a struggle for us to band together.
Fire burns in your head.
In Chicago, Mike Lowe, WGN News.